Hello everyone and welcome to this e-learning platform of Galgotias University. This is Prakhar Bhargav, Assistant Professor at Galgotias University at Department of Mass Communication. Today we are going to discuss in this session of Light and Camera Lab, we are going to discuss how to capture images and videos in a DSLR camera. So let's begin the session. Okay, so today we will try to focus on how to capture different objects through our DSLR. We will also learn how to set the DSLR on this camera, on this still photography mode and on the video mode. So let's begin the discussion by turning on the camera. Our camera is set on the manual mode where we have all the controls to set. We have the first thing we need to learn is to focus on how to shift this screen from this viewfinder mode to this LCD display. Now you can now this camera is set on this viewfinder mode, where in order to view the or preview the image you are going to capture, you need to see through this viewfinder. In order to change this view and to set this mode on this live screen mode, we need to just press this button. So now our camera is set on live screen mode, where the object we have are visible on this screen. Okay, so as an object we have this lens cap and this lens hood of this lens. In order to capture a photograph, we need to first set our camera on this still photography mode. You can see this white camera image available here. This denotes the still photography mode, and this red dot is the video mode, which we are going to use in this in the next part. So our camera is set on the still photography mode. We have manual control. All the controls are available in the bottom part of the screen. This is shutter speed, this is aperture, and this is our ISO. All the rest of the components we are going to discuss in the further sessions. So in order to capture a photograph, we first need to understand where is the shutter. In order to capture a photo through this DSLR, as our camera is set on this still photography mode, we need to use this button. This is our shutter button. We need to press this button first half and then full to capture the photograph. Let's see how it works. Okay, so in order to capture a photograph, you need to press the button half. Here it focuses the object, and then you need to press the button completely. See, when you press the button half, here green squares appear. It will show you where your camera is focused right now. To capture this image, you need to press the button completely. It captures the image, and to view that image you just captured, you need to press this button. Here you can see the captured image. In order to delete or remove this image, you need to press this button, this bin button, and here your deleting option will appear. You need to set on this erase button and you can remove the image. Okay, so now we will see how to record videos using this camera. You need to set your mode from still to recording button. You need to just switch this mode, and as you can see, your aspect ratio changes, and here I am with the camcorder image appears, which will show you that your camera is set on a recording mode. Here, apart from all the extra detailed features, you can see your main exposure triangle, which you can set, and in order to capture a video, you just need to see where your camera is focused. You can also use manual focusing, which we will discuss later. To capture a video, you just need to press this button. It will start recording, and it will show you the time of record, and this red dot will show you that your camera is right now recording the video. Okay, so in order to stop this recording, you again need to just press this button, and your recorded video will be saved on your memory card. Again, so as to view this video recording, you just need to press this button and your video will appear here. So that's all for today's class. We will learn manual controls and other features of camera in the next session. In this session today, we learn how to capture images and videos by seeing hands-on practice on a DSLR camera. For further inquiries and questions about the session, you can contact me on this email ID and contact number. Thank you all for joining.